Today I decided to change it up a bit, and rather than just doing Roblox scripting videos, I decided to do a Discord.js testing, coding video. So if you do want more of this, make sure to leave a like and comment that you want more down below, because I'll be happy to record more if that's what you like. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
So the command kind of works like this. So if you said rename, and then you type in anything, so hello YouTube. If you type in any name, it's gonna set the channel name to what you want to set it to. So yeah, that's an example of this command. We're gonna begin by just making, in our commands folder, we're gonna just make our rename.js, which is also, you can change it to whatever you want. We're gonna create a const discord equals require discord.js. Then we're gonna make your command handler, so module.exports equals name, and then that's gonna be rename, and description. It's gonna be rename the channel, execute message args. So if you have a different command handler, then you can put in that different command handler, but that is my command handler that I use. So we're gonna start off by saying if, and then exclamation point message dot member dot has permission, and manage underscore channels in all capitals. I'm gonna say return message dot channel dot send. I'm gonna say you do not have the permissions to run that command. You don't have permissions to run that command. If you set up embeds and stuff above it, then feel free to add those embeds in. Create all the embeds before you make this though. Yeah, and now we're gonna say const name equals args.join, and then we're gonna put brackets with quotations or speech marks, I want to say it, with a space in the middle. And so basically what this bit does here, it checks if they have the permission manage channels, and if they do, then it doesn't send this return message. But if they don't have the permission to manage the channels, it's gonna send this return message, and it's gonna say you do not have permissions to run that command. And so this is the name. So if you don't know what args.join is, it basically just takes away whatever arguments you've put, and it just takes away the actual command. So hyphen rename, it takes away that. It kind of only just counts whatever you put on the after arguments, rather than just rename. So obviously, otherwise, if you didn't have this set to it and you just had set to message.content, it would just say rename at the start of all of the channels. So this is obviously just what we're going to do. I'm going to say if exclamation point name return message dot channel dot send. We'll say x missing arguments. So what this does is that if there is no arguments and you just say hyphen rename, it's not just going to rename the channel to nothing. It's going to actually just say that you don't have the arguments for that you haven't put the correct arguments in. Now we can just say message.channel dot set name dot set name without this name. Okay, just name without anything. Just name in the brackets, and then message.channel dot send successfully set the name of the channel to, and then I'll just put these around it, and then I put $sign, a bracket like that, and we'll just say name. And so now I'll kind of just double through again. So this is checking if they have the permission. Then this is just making the actual argument for it. then it's going to say if you check if you have correct arguments, and then it's actually going to do it. If everything is good here, then it's just going to do it. So yeah, this is the working command, and so we can just save it. We can load the bot up again, which will obviously take it online, and we can just say, see, this channel is called test one. We can say rename, and we'll just call this worked. And you see, if we name it, successfully set the channel to worked. And obviously in Discord you can have exclamation points and stuff like that, so it's not actually going to set it with an exclamation point, it's just going to set it to worked without the exclamation point. And if you wanted to know what happens when you say something in space, so yes, no, or S and whatever, it puts a hyphen in the middle of it, as if it's just a normal channel. So yeah, hope this video did help you. If it did, make sure to leave a subscribe, and bye bye.